Welcome, my Zentangle friends. I'm Emmy. I'm so glad to be here today with you. You're on the Zen with Emmy channel, and we're going to have such fun today. But this is definitely a pattern you're going to want to keep and a pattern you're going to want to practice. So if you don't already have it, grab some scrap paper. Might want your eraser too. I've actually got two kinds of erasers today, and just my usual supplies. The pattern's called Rambles. It is by Zentangle. It is a keeper. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is, as I mentioned, if you didn't screenshot that already, please do so. Okay. So I have my mint because I may want the energy here and there. All right. If you're going to do Rambles, and I hope you'll work with me on this, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to make a wide, wavy line all the way down to there. Kind of looks like a snake. It's easiest for me to start and go this direction with my wide loops. So watch. Wide loop, back. It's hard to do in slow motion. And come out there. If you haven't already done it, just do that much. And the next step of our practice, I'm going to come along on the edge of each of these curves, right where it makes the turn. I'm going to either put a straight line. I prefer a bit of a curve. You'll see why in a minute. You can do either one. I'm going to do this all the way down. So wherever I have those curves, I think you're going to love this when you get the hang of it. But I got a whole page of practice here. Okay, at the top, I'm going to aura this, but I'm going to end up here. I'm going to aura this so it's going to get wider and stop. The next one, eyeball where this curve starts right here, because I'm going to aura this line and stop here. Watch. I'm going to, or do it with me, or both. Aura and stop. The next line where that curve is, I'm going to make a stick. And I want to start just like the top two and end here. Go under and back. Okay, where it starts its curve right there and end here. Is that not fun and easy? Now, if you want to accentuate these curve areas where the joiners are, of course, shading is what you're going to want to put in here. And if this was a keeper, I'd ink over it. This is a pattern that you may want to write Happy Birthday or Merry Christmas or who knows. I have actually gone ahead and make the easiest, laziest tree for you because Christmas is coming. I've heard. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to go back and forth. My tree gets wider and so my ribbon will get wider and I'm going to end there. Then remember what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back here where the curves are. And I'm going to make a line that like comes right off of it in a curvy way. I hope that makes sense. I have one more curve here, so I'm going to make one there. I'm working in pencil. I'm trying not to work too light so you can see it. Starting at this point, ending here. Aura. Now, if you really wanted to do this right, you'd make this go underneath this line. So it'd be imaginary and come out here. But where the curve is here, I'm going to come around and this is pencil. So pencil is made to be changed and adjusted. Coming out right here and ending here, remember. Come along and back. Where the line curves, you'll start and you'll end up here. Come along and curve. Not so very hard, was it? I love this pattern. let's put it on our page that's going to go in our book. So much fun. Okay, starting right here in the middle of the top, I'm going to go that way first. Go to the left. Left with a short curve, wider, much wider, wider again, and off. It can come off in any direction. It's just that's my habit, okay? You can make this you can make it skinnier, wider. Remember what we do next. We're going to make a line off of here, each of the curves, like that. And then I'm going to join these together from that point to here with an aura that's quite wide. Underneath here to here. Underneath here, back to here. Underneath here, back and off. How cute is this? I will go over this in ink in my own time and not hold you back because I know you have a lot going on. So this is what I did with this one. This is the one that's just going to be all tangles so that if I want later on I can cut it up. So I put Inktober 2025 off of here. If you're following me, look at little Foxy here looking at you, looking at me. But the one with the poem is the one that I hope you and I are doing together. And of course, I'm going to work in pencil. I'm going to start up in this region, bring it off. I'm going to have to lift my pen over this. So I'm going to actually start over here and come on kind of an angle like that. Yeah, I guess that's all right. I wonder if I want to hang it like that. Maybe I'll hang it like that. It's good to make changes. I think I'll just bring it down here and hang it from this diamond that I put in here. Come off, wider, 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 and down. Wow, that was really big. Okay, let's see how this works. But I want to have plenty of room for the writing, right? So from top to here, and then where the join and the turn is, connect. Where this comes down to here. And here. Whoops, forgot to make my joiner line. And off. Oh, plenty of room. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm so proud of myself. Overdraw. And that I decided to make a little thinner, so I'll use that as shading. If you Google Rambles, you might see plenty of ideas of how to do this. I'm just writing the words Inktober in here. And 2025 way down here. I have room so that I could maybe put some fun little circles in here. I think that'd be kind of fun, very ribbonish. And one little other treatment that I have seen a lot on ribbons, where it's especially certain kinds of ribbons have these little kind of teeny little whiskers. get some shading on this pretty thing. Alrighty, so I want to shade where the joints are, where the ribbon is folding under itself. I'm going to shade here. I really, really like my pencil though to push in because I want to get the maximum graphite out of here, and I've got it down here too. Isn't this fun? Oh my goodness, I just hope you love yours as much as I love mine. I'm going on either side so that it pops off the page. That's really what I'm trying to do here. And I don't want that little bit of white, so I have to go back over that again. And again, the key is pushing in. Grab your blender stump. Push that shade out into the paper. And where the joints are, that's where I'm going to push down. It's less important to turn my work when I am shading as opposed to when I am putting pencil to paper. It's got a little bit over here. A little more shade. Yeah, what do you think? I just love it. I hope it made sense to you, and I hope you love yours just as much. So, thanks everybody for being here, and I will see you tomorrow for day 8. Oh my gosh, isn't October going quickly? So, thanks a lot. Bye.